Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's practice, we'll develop a sense of inner calm, using it like a refuge that helps us handle challenges and struggles with greater ease. Find a quiet spot where you can sit comfortably. As you gently close your eyes, soften your face, your neck, your shoulders, root down through your sitting bones and lengthen up through the crown of your head without creating tension in your body. And begin to tap into your breath. Take a few deep, cleansing inhales and exhales. Feel your whole body gently expanding and contracting with the depth of your breath. And as you allow your breathing to soften once more, just pay attention how it feels to inhale and exhale naturally. When we turn our attention to our exhales, our mind begins to quiet, our body settles down. So today we'll use a slightly longer exhale as a way to focus our attention out of the busyness of our heads. In a moment, we'll begin to breathe in together for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. Then we'll keep the inhale at 4 and try exhaling for a count of 8. At any point, if you find that this count is too long or too intense for you, return to a rhythm that's comfortable in your body, placing the emphasis on your out-breaths. So begin by exhaling whatever breath is left in your body. And together, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now come back to your natural breath for a moment and just notice how you feel. As we return to a longer exhale once more, The idea is to take in a similar depth of breath on each inhale and gently control the outflow of your breath so it takes a little more time to exhale the same amount of air. So let's try it now with an even longer exhale. Emptying your lungs, and inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now find a rhythm that works for you. Inhaling naturally and making your exhales longer without strain. Now relax any sense of controlling your breath. As you allow your inhales and exhales to shape themselves, take a few moments to notice how you feel. And now, gently soften your attention. When tragedy strikes, or the unexpected throws us off balance, it can shake us to the core. The phone rings or our email dings. As we learn that a loved one's health is quickly deteriorating, the floor suddenly feels like it will drop 10 feet beneath us. But when distress takes over, we can find solace and refuge in the calm space we've been cultivating through our meditation practice. In moments of being overwhelmed, the mindfulness tools we've developed can serve as a reassuring balm that carries us through the difficulties. As we lengthen our exhale and consciously relax our bodies, we can connect to the present moment, feeling our emotions without letting them take over. The inner calm we've cultivated can help us hold the chaos without getting lost in it. Our practice not only builds our emotional and mental capacity for hardship, it also has a deep and lasting effect on our physiology, increasing our energy, lowering our blood pressure, and strengthening our immune system. As we create a stronger, calmer, and healthier body, we are growing our ability to handle challenging situations. We are building an inner sanctuary that we can find refuge in whenever we need to. Now take a couple of deep breaths, calling yourself back into the space around you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here soon.